Hi everyone! Welcome to a new episode of Bo's Slow English. Today's episode is about prepositions. Prepositions are the small words that show the relationship between things, usually about time, place, or direction. Before we get into the lesson, I would like to introduce myself to my new friends. My name is Bo. Hello. Welcome to my channel. I usually speak in slow English to help you to improve your listening skills. If you would like to improve your speaking skills, please read the caption while I'm speaking, or after I complete saying one sentence, pause the video, say the sentence, try to shadow my tone, and then play the video for the next sentence. My goal is to help you feel confident when you are speaking to an American or someone who speaks English. And we can do that together, but you definitely need to try and study every single day. So I have many videos available on my YouTube that you can visit at any time. Also, I offer memberships on my channel. So click the join button below if you would like to become a member. You will have first access to my videos before they go public, and I have a little community in my member portal, or the area where I comment to my members, and I will be posting short videos like behind the scenes videos, as well as short lessons that the public will not be able to watch. So if this interests you, click the join button. Another update, I am working very hard to complete my very first ebook. I will have both a free version and a paid version available. And the topic of this ebook is all about phrasal verbs, like get up. I get up off the chair. And phrasal verbs are difficult to learn unless you really study up on it. So the book will be about 75 to 80 pages of activities, as well as a study guide, and you will become an expert in phrasal verbs after reading the entire book. Please click the like button to show your support. It keeps me motivated to continue to post videos daily, every day. And click subscribe if we are not friends yet, and let me know in the comments which country you are watching this video from. At the very end of the lesson, I will provide a little game. I won't call it a test or a quiz. I will call it a game because that is much more fun. And what you will need to do is fill in the blank, which means I will provide a sentence, but in the middle of the sentence, I will take out the preposition, and you will figure out which preposition goes into the sentence. So let me know in the comments all of your answers, and I will tell you if you're correct. One more thing, excuse my wet hair. I have been running around like a headless chicken. Buck, buck, buck. Do you know what this idiom means? It means imagine a chicken, buck, 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 and it doesn't have a head, Sorry, that doesn't sound very nice, but that's what it is. So a chicken, buck, 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 with no head. And because I have been running around doing errands and everything else I have to do today, I don't have time to film this video with blow-dried hair. So my goal is to post a video every day, and today I'm going to have wet hair. Let's talk about prepositions of place. We have in, on, at, under, and between. I will provide a short sentence using each of these prepositions. First, I will say it slowly so that you can understand, and then I will say it at a normal native English speaker speed. In. The keys are in my bag. The keys are in my bag. He lives in New York. He lives in New York. There's milk in the fridge. There's milk in the fridge. On. The book is on the shelf. The book is on the shelf. She put the ring on her finger. She put the ring on her finger. There's a stain on your shirt. There's a stain on your shirt. At. He is at the bus stop. He is at the bus stop. We met at a restaurant. We met at a restaurant. She's at work right now. She's at work right now. Under. The cat is under the bed. The cat is under the bed. My shoes are under the table. My shoes are under the table. We sat under a tree. We sat under a tree. The bank is between the school and the supermarket. The bank is between the school and the supermarket. She sat between her two friends. She sat between her two friends. There's a small park between those buildings. There's a small park between those buildings. Now let's talk about prepositions of time. At. The train leaves at 7 o'clock. The train leaves at 7 o'clock. We eat dinner at night. We eat dinner at night. The show starts at noon. The show starts at noon. On. My birthday is on Monday. My birthday's on Monday. We met on New Year's Day. We met on New Year's Day. They went hiking on the weekend. They went hiking on the weekend. In. I was born in July. I was born in July. We'll go on vacation this summer. We'll go on vacation this summer. She finished a project in 2 days. She finished a project in 2 days. Now let's talk about prepositions of movement or direction. 2. He walked to the store. He walked to the store. I gave the book to my sister. I gave the book to my sister. She's going to the doctor. She's going to the doctor. Into. The dog ran into the house. The dog ran into the house. He jumped into the pool. He jumped into the pool. She threw her jacket into the closet. She threw her jacket into the closet. Onto. The cat jumped onto the couch. The cat jumped onto the couch. He climbed onto the roof. He climbed onto the roof. She stepped onto the stage. She stepped onto the stage. Out of. He got out of the car. He got out of the car. She took her phone out of the bag. She took her phone out of the bag. The baby crawled out of the playpen. The baby crawled out of the playpen. And now let's talk about common prepositional phrases. Next to. I sat next to my friend. I sat next to my friend. The coffee shop is next to the bank. The coffee shop is next to the bank. She parked her car next to mine. She parked her car next to mine. In front of. He stood in front of the door. He stood in front of the door. There's a bench in front of the store. There's a bench in front of the store. The car stopped in front of the school. The car stopped in front of the school. By. She did it by herself. She did it by herself. The book was written by a famous author. The book was written by a famous author. I'll sit by the window. I'll sit by the window. All right, now it's your turn to choose the correct preposition, fill in the blanks to these sentences, and leave your answers in the comments. Number 1, the cookies are blank the jar. Number 2, we're meeting blank 5 p.m. Number 3, he jumped blank the bed. Number 4, I live blank Los Angeles. Number 5, she's sitting blank me and my brother. I hope you enjoyed today's video. I made this video for the subscriber who commented that they wanted a preposition topic video. So if you have any special requests for my next video, please let me know below. I will see you at the next lesson. Thank you so much for your support. Bye!